Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves customizing your Samsung phone to give it that sleek, modern look, then this video is definitely for you. Today, I'll be showing you a quick step-by-step how to install the One UI 7 icon pack on any Samsung Android phone, even if your phone hasn't yet received the latest software update. Now, in case you didn't know, One UI 7 is Samsung's upcoming interface based on Android 15. It brings a fresh new design, smoother animations, and refined icons that really elevate the overall user experience. While the full update is still rolling out and only available on selected newer devices, you can still enjoy the updated One UI 7 icon style on your current phone. And that's exactly what I'll show you in this video. So let's get into it. Open the Google Play Store. Search for One UI 7 icon pack and download it. Wait for the download to complete. For convenience, a direct link to the icon pack is included in the video description below. When it's done downloading, this next step requires the Galaxy Store, which comes pre-installed on all Samsung devices. Open the Galaxy Store and search for Good Lock and download it. Again, a direct download link for Good Lock is provided in the description. Open the Good Lock app when it's done downloading. Search for Theme Park. Download and install it. Once the download is complete, go ahead and open it. Tap on Start. Allow all permissions. Tap the Icon tab at the bottom, then select Create New. Tap on Icon Pack at the top, then choose One UI 7 from the list. Tap the Install icon at the top and name it UI 7 and hit OK. The icon pack will begin installing. Once it's installed, select the UI 7 pack and tap Apply. And just like that, your Samsung phone now has the modern look of One UI 7, inspired by Android 15. And that's it. A fast and easy way to get the One UI 7 icon experience on your current Samsung device, even if it hasn't received the official Android 15 update yet. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Android customization tips, tutorials, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.